Why should I still even try investing in cryptocurrency if it's volatile? Do I have better options out there? That's what we are going to cover in the part 2 of the basics of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Intel. In the part 1 of this content, we have discussed cryptocurrency 101 and the pros and cons of cryptocurrency. If you have missed that, click the link below and make sure to watch it first. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notify to get more updates from our channel and become more intelligent about the crypto world. Previously, we have mentioned that the real risk in cryptocurrency is in investment because it is highly volatile. Why do we even have to make this video if it's more of a gamble than an investment? In this video, we will dive deeper into the facts about cryptocurrency and leave the decision to you whether or not cryptocurrency is a worthwhile investment. Cryptocurrencies are valuable because of the purpose it serves. Although its value depends on the cryptocurrency you are eyeing on, but let's set Bitcoin, for example, being the first and most popular cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin has a value because its BTC coin value is similar to gold. It has certain maximum supply and limited BTC is being produced every day, and its amount is cut in half every 4 years. Currently, Bitcoin demand has increased so much, especially when the pandemic hit. The restrictions made the regular currencies have less value, so most transactions were done virtually. This situation provided Bitcoin a lot of opportunities while all of those things are happening, since it is a virtual currency. So if there is more demand for Bitcoin as years go by, the price of BTC will double every 4 years. Having the law of supply and demand in mind, if there's a limited supply, but there's a high demand, the price increases. Even with the scarce supply of Bitcoin, a lot of investors can confirm that Bitcoin is a safe place to invest outside the common investment platforms. Just a reminder though that most of the cryptocurrencies are highly reliant on the movement of BTC as they are correlated to Bitcoin. Some cryptocurrencies have an extremely high value because of the utility they provide. Ethereum, for example, has an insane value because the Ethereum network can provide crypto tokens that you can even create decentralized applications and websites that can't be taken down. All transactions related to creating tokens and transacting with these applications require Ether. As the adoption for Ethereum network increases, the demand for ETH rises. One of the companies that adopted the Ethereum network is Visa. They tested payments on the Ethereum network using the USDC stablecoin. So if there's a high demand and use for the crypto coins and crypto tokens, why are their values still volatile? The answer is simple. Nobody knows the actual worth of these technologies. It's not like it's news to us that investing in the stock market is a risk as it fluctuates every single day. It's just that cryptocurrency networks are innovative. It makes it possible for someone to lend, save, and borrow anonymously. No credit score needed to be checked, no documentation or paperwork needed to deal with just to create an account. You can do business with a certain person directly. No middleman involved, no cuts to worry about. You'll take home everything if you are able to close a deal. Cryptocurrency is dominating the trading industry so much that could eventually cut out the needs for government. This is where it can get problematic. A slight suppression of cryptocurrency business results in a market crash, just like when China banned financial institutions from crypto business. Despite the fact, it's still very obvious that crypto is growing and unlikely to stop anytime soon. As you have reached this part of the video, are you now convinced how legit cryptocurrencies are? If you are, the next question you may be asking yourself is, which cryptocurrencies you should buy? Actually, let me rephrase that. which cryptocurrencies you thought of investing in matches your timeline and risk tolerance. The cryptocurrency seems to follow a 4-year cycle. As of creating this video, we are currently at the bull market phase. Prices gradually rise. The likelihood that you will sell your cryptocurrencies when they are at their highest prices is slim to zero. Even though we are at the bull market phase, a 2 to 3x return is still possible. If you decide to hold it until the next bull market phase in cryptocurrencies, it's highly likely to get that amount of return. So here's a tip. Actively trade your crypto because buying and holding cryptocurrency will only give you the same amount of profit. As risky as investing in cryptocurrencies sounds, the degrees of risks vary. The more risk you are willing to take, the greater reward you will get. So the best way to manage the risk is to look at the cryptocurrency's market cap. It is calculated by the market value of that coin or token times its circulating supply. For example, Dogecoin has a circulating supply of 130 billion. If you multiply that by Dogecoin's 30-cent price, you get a $40+ billion market cap. It might be tempting to invest in Dogecoin, but the rule of thumb is the smaller the market cap, the higher the potential that cryptocurrency has to grow despite its dollar value, because it takes less money to increase its value. So if you look at the cryptocurrency's market cap, most of the top 10 cryptocurrencies are considered low-risk investments. The further you go in the map, the higher the risk will be. So just stay within the top 200, because if you go any further than that list, even though the capital is low, it will also take low capital to crash their price. Pretty sure you are gambling more than you are investing. That's a complete tutorial for cryptocurrency beginners. If you learned anything from our videos or have any crypto-related topic that you want us to cover, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notify to get more updates from our channel and become more intelligent about the crypto world. See you in our next video.